Apple Pay to Presto app. In this video, you are going to learn how to add Apple Pay to Presto app. So let's get started. First, ensure your Apple Pay is set up. Before adding Apple Pay to the Presto app, ensure that you have set up Apple Pay on your iPhone or other compatible Apple device. You can do this by going to the Wallet and Apple section in your device setting app and following the prompts to add your credit or debit card to Apple Pay. Launch the Presto app on your iPhone or other compatible Apple devices and then navigate to payment settings within the Presto app to access payment settings. From here, select add payment method for an option and add a payment method within the Presto app. This is where you will be able to add Apple Pay as a payment option. Select Apple Pay as the payment method you want to add to the Presto app and then authorize with Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. Complete the setup. You should see it listed as a payment option. Make payments with Apple Pay. You can now use Apple Pay with the Presto app to make payments for transfers or other services that accept Presto as a payment method. That's all. That's how you can add Apple Pay to Presto app. That's all.